Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect your Nintendo Switch to your TV without using the dock in case you lost it or, I don't know, you just don't have it. So, there are only 3 pieces of equipment you will need for this, so I reckon you already have 2 of those at home. So, number 1 being an HDMI cable, so just regular one, it looks like this. The second one is, of course, the charger for your Nintendo Switch. And the third one is USB-C to HDMI adapter. So on one side it has USB-C, so that's the thing we are going to plug in into your Nintendo Switch. And on the other side we have another USB-C. So there we will plug in your charger. Then we have HDMI, where we will plug into the cable and connect it to the TV, and USB port. I don't know, just we won't need it, but just in case it's here. So that's a pretty useful thing. So now I'm going to connect all of these 3 things together. So yeah, I'm back, and that's how it should look. You can just connect all the things I told you about together, and the only thing we need to do is to hook up your Nintendo Switch to the USB-C cable. So I'm gonna do just that, and after that the only thing you will need to do is to connect your HDMI cable right into your TV. And after that, all you need to do is to choose the right channel and basically start playing. That's about it.